Today's recipe, we're making an Olive Garden chicken pasta, and I'm making a keto version of that recipe. Let's get started. You will need 2 pounds of chicken breast, Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, an all-purpose spice blend, and the Olive Garden signature Italian dressing. And of course, you'll need a crock pot. This is a really quick and easy recipe, and the results are outstanding. So first, start off by placing the chicken pieces in the crock pot. Then I season it with an all-purpose seasoning. Then I mix that through and pour the Italian dressing over the chicken pieces. Next, I added the Parmesan cheese and I added the cream cheese. Then I covered the crock pot and cooked on high for 4 hours. Since this is a low-carb keto-friendly recipe, we will not be using the traditional pasta. I am using a low-carb version. We're going to be using the palmini lasagna sheets, and this is what it looks like. And the first step is to go ahead and rinse the sheets over water, cold water, and then we're going to add them to our chicken mixture in the crock pot. I've found that cutting these sheets in half before placing them in the crock pot really works well in this recipe. So it's been 4 hours. Let's take a look at our chicken. Yummy. I'm going to use my whisk just to break up the pieces, and then we'll go ahead and add the palmini lasagna sheets. And this is what it should look like. It's nice and creamy. The chicken is delicious and flavorful. And now you see me adding the lasagna sheets. And I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix. And that's it, guys. This is a really simple, easy recipe, but it's absolutely delicious. I hope you try this one. Now I'm going to top it off with some more Parmesan cheese. You guys get where I'm going with this, right? Pure deliciousness. Now let's go ahead and plate our chicken pasta. For more videos like these, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. The entire recipe will be listed on my website. It's lowcarb360.com. And as always, I thank you all for watching.